Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how you can make the background transparent inside of Canva. So here we have a document and I've just written transparent background on the front. First thing to remember is if you're wanting to make the background transparent, then the background of your document must be white. It will only work if the background is white. So once you have your document with a white background, head over to share. Now we can see we've got some options and we need to select download. And here we can see it's suggested PNG. There are other options, but for this one, we are going to use PNG. You can now alter the size of the pixels. You can limit the file size. You can compress it. But here we can see it states an option for transparent background. We need to select the transparent background option, but over here, as we can see, there is a crown, which means that this is a Canva Pro feature. If you'd like to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days, then click on the link in the description and this will give you a free trial to try out this feature and all the other amazing features that are available within Canva Pro. The next option is preferences. So if you want to save the download settings to be the same every time you save a PNG, then you can tick the box and that will save the settings. Now we need to select download and now we can see it's downloaded that and we can see now that the background is grey, so that means that the background is transparent. We go back onto our document and we click download and we unselect the transparent background and select download. We should be able to see now the difference, and here we can compare the two. This is a download that has the transparent background and as we can see the background is grey, and this is the download without the transparent background and we can see that our background is white. And that is how you can make a background transparent inside of Canva. Hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.